Hello friends, myself Subhash Nagarse from Sri Digambar Jain Gurukul High School, Solapur. I shall welcome to all of you in this 9th mathematics part first. The topic is polynomials part 6. Friends, in this session we are going to discuss on the problems from the practice set 3.3. Friends, in the previous session of this polynomials part 5, we have been discussed with the following important subtopics of this chapter. That is synthetic division method and the steps for the synthetic division method. Today in this session we are going to discuss with the practice set 3.3. Friends, let us start with the practice set 3.3 of this chapter. So problem number 1, divide each of the following polynomials by synthetic division method and also by linear division method. Write the quotient and the remainder. So first problem is 2m square minus 3m plus 10 divided by m minus 5. Friends, let us start with the solution of this one. Friends, here dividend is 2m square minus 3m plus 10 and the divisor is m minus 5. The coefficient form of this dividend 2m square minus 3m plus 10 is 2, minus 3 and 10. And as the divisor is m minus 5, here the opposite of this minus 5 is 5, that we have to consider. So this is the pattern for this, where in the first row we are writing the coefficient of the dividend, and to the left of this first row we have wrote the 5. The division is carried, so 2 it will be as it is. So 2 5s are 10. In the third you will get 10 minus 3, that is 7. 7 5s are 35. So 10 and 35, that will be 45. The 45 is made box since it is a remainder. So friends, coefficient form of this will be now 2 and 7, remaining 2 terms. So quotient will become 2m plus 7 and the remainder will be 45. This is what the synthetic division method we carried the division. Now let us see the linear division method for this one. So this linear division method, let us write first what is the dividend, that is 2m square minus 3m plus 10. Friends, here to get the term 2m square, multiply m minus 5, which is the divisor, by 2m and add 10m. So what we'll get is 2m into bracket m minus 5 plus 10m minus 3m plus 10. So friends, here after solving this you are getting 2m m minus 5 before multiplication, and this 10m minus 3m, that is 7m plus 10. So it will be 2m into bracket m minus 5 plus 7 into bracket m minus 5 plus 35 plus 10. Friends, here m minus 5, that will be common, that could be taken out. What left in the bracket, 2m from the first term and 7 from the second term, and this 35 plus 10, that gives you 45. It clears. What you get is 2m square minus 3m plus 10 is equal to m minus 5, which is your divisor, and 2m plus 7, which is your quotient, and plus 45, which is remainder. So we can write that quotient is equal to 2m plus 7 and that of the remainder is 45. This is what the linear division method. Let us start with this next problem. X fourth plus 2x cube plus 3x square plus 4x plus 5, it is divided by x plus 2. Friends, here let us consider the first synthetic division method. In this, that given is x fourth plus 2x cube plus 3x square plus 4x plus 5, it is divided by x plus 2. So here dividend that we are getting is x fourth plus 2x cube plus 3x square plus 4x plus 5, and the divisor is x plus 2. So the coefficient form of this dividend is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Friends, divisor is equal to x plus 2 and the opposite of plus 2 is minus 2. So by synthetic division, let us prepare this chart and it will be like this. In the first row we are going to write the dividend in the coefficient form, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus 2 is the opposite of 2 in the divisor, that is wrote on the first row of the left side. So 1 it will be as it is, 2 1s are 2, minus 2, 2 to get zeros, so 0 into minus 2 is 0, and 3 plus the 0 is 0, and 3 2s are 6, 4 plus minus 6, that will be minus 2, and 2 2s are 4, minus minus plus, so 5 plus 4 is 9, 9 is now the quotient will become x cube plus 3x minus 2. Here x square term is 0, so we will consider directly 3x, and the remainder is 9. Friends, let us start with the linear division method. In this, let us write first the dividend x fourth plus 2x cube plus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. So to get the term x fourth, multiply x plus 2 by x cube and subtract 2x cube. So friends, here you can write x cube into bracket x plus 2 minus 2x cube. We are multiplying by x cube means 2x cube term is coming, therefore we are considering here minus 2x cube plus 2x cube as it is 3x square plus 4x plus 5. So again x cube as it is x plus 2 plus this subtraction will carry, therefore those two get cancelled, minus 2x square and plus 2x cube. So 3x square plus 4x plus 5 will be remaining. Now friend, to get the term 3x square, multiply x plus 2 by 3x and subtract this 6x. So x cube into bracket x plus 2 plus 3x into bracket x plus 2 minus 6x plus 4x plus 5. Again x cube into bracket x plus 2, from these two terms will be 3x into x plus 2 minus 6x plus 4x, that will give you minus 2x plus 5. Plus to get the term minus 2x, multiply x plus 2 by minus 2 and add 4. Therefore, you will get that x cube into bracket x plus 2 plus 3x x plus 2 minus 2 into bracket x plus 2 plus 4 plus 5. Friends, here you can write x plus 2 as a common taken out, and from the first three terms you will get in another bracket x cube plus 3x minus 2 plus 9. Plus 3x minus 2 plus 9. And here quotient you will get that x cube plus 3x minus 2 and remainder is 9. So friends, this is what the second problem. Let us start with the third problem. Among this, x cube minus 216 divided by y minus 6. Let us start with the synthetic division method, where you could write first the dividend is equal to y cube minus 216. It is divided by the divisor y minus 6. We will write the dividend as y cube minus 216, and the index form could be written as there are no terms of other. We will write that y cube plus 0y square plus 0y minus 216. Friends, the coefficient form of dividend will be 1 0 0 minus 216. The divisor is y minus 6. The opposite of this minus 6 is 6. Therefore, it could be written in the first row as 1 0 0 minus 216, 6 as the divisor, or at the left side of the first row. So 1 as it will come, 6 1s are 6, so 0 plus 6 is 6, 6 6 are 36, 0 plus 36 is 36, and 36 into 6, that will be given as 216. So minus 216 and plus 216, that will get cancelled. The answer is 0. Here the coefficient form of the quotient is 1, 6 and 36. Therefore, the quotient will become y square plus 6y plus 36. And the remainder is 0. Friends, let us see the linear division method for solving this problem. So it is given that y square minus 216 as a dividend. To get the term y cube in this dividend, y minus 6 plus 6y square minus 216. So we'll get y square into bracket y minus 6 plus 6y, and this y 6y square minus 216. To get the term 6y square, multiply by y minus 6, this y 6y, and add 36y. So y square into bracket y minus 6 plus 6y into bracket y minus 6 plus 36y minus 216. Therefore, y square into bracket y minus 6 plus 6y into bracket y minus 6 plus 36y minus 216. So here you will get the term. To get the term 36y, multiply y minus 6 by 36 and add 216. So y square into bracket y minus 6 plus 6y into bracket y minus 6 plus 36y minus 6 is plus 216 minus 216. So friends, here y minus 6 as a common taken out. What left in the bracket is y square plus 6y plus 36 plus 0. So y square minus 216 is equal to y minus 6 in one bracket, another bracket y square plus 6y plus 36 plus 0. Friends, the quotient what you are getting over here is y square plus 6y plus 36 and that of the remainder is 0. So this is what regarding this problem number 3. Let us start with the problem number 4. That is 2x4 plus 3x cube plus 4x minus 2x square divided by x plus 3. Friends, let us start with the synthetic division method, wherein we will get that 2x4 plus 3x square plus 4x minus 2x cube divided by x plus 3. Here dividend that given is 2x4 plus 3x square plus 4x minus 2x square. Index form of this in order to have, we will write in the decreasing order of their indices. That would be 2x4 plus 3x square x cube minus 2x square plus 4x plus 0. So coefficient form of this dividend will be 2, 3, minus 2, 4 and 0. So divisor is x plus 3. Therefore opposite of this plus 3 will be minus 3. So we can prepare a table for this division, which would be in the first row you are going to write the coefficients of this dividend 2, 3, minus 2, 4 and 0. And to the leftmost we are writing minus 3. 2 comes as it is. So 2 3s are minus 6. 3 minus 6, that will be minus 3. Minus 3 into minus 3 is 9. So minus 2 plus 9, that will be 7. 7 3s are 21, that is minus 21. 4 plus minus 21, that is minus 17. Minus 17 into 3, that will be 51. Minus minus, that will be plus. So 0 plus 51 is 51 and 51 made box since it is a remainder. The left coefficient form of the quotient it is. Therefore it could be 2 minus 3 7 and minus 17. Therefore quotient here is 2x cube minus 3x square plus 7x minus 17 and the remainder is 51. Let us start with the linear division method, wherein it is given that 2x4 plus 3x cube plus 4x minus 2x cube can be written as 2x square plus 3x cube minus 2x square plus 4x. To get the term 2x4, multiply x plus 3 by 2x cube and subtract 6x cube. Therefore 2x cube into bracket x plus 31 minus 6x square x cube plus 3x cube minus 2x square plus 4x. So friends, here you will get that 2x cube into bracket x plus 3 minus 3x square minus 2x square plus 4x. Therefore to get the term minus 3x cube, multiply x plus 3 by minus 3x square and add 9x square. So 2x cube into bracket x plus 3 minus 3x square into bracket x plus 3 plus 9x square. 7x square plus 4x. To get the term 7x square, multiply this x plus 3 by 7x and subtract 21x. Therefore 2x cube into bracket x plus 3 minus 3x square into bracket x plus 3 plus 7x into bracket x plus 3 minus 21x plus 4x. Friends, 2x cube common, x plus 3 minus 3x square x plus 3. Here now the 7x x plus 3 is minus 17x, the subtraction. To get the term minus 17x, multiply x plus 3 by minus 17 and add 51. So what you get is 2x cube into bracket x plus 3 minus 3x square x plus 3 plus 7x x plus 3 minus 17x plus 3 plus 51. So friends, you can write here the x plus 3 as a common in one bracket, another bracket 2x cube minus 3x square plus 7x minus 17 plus 51. Friends, you will write it in the formula how 2x4 plus 3x cube plus 4x minus 2x square is equal to x plus 3. It is a divisor. Then 2x cube minus 3x square plus 7x minus 17, it is a quotient, plus 51 as a remainder. So you can get here quotient is equal to 2x cube minus 3x square plus 7x minus 17 and the remainder as 51. This is what problem number 4. Now let us see the problem number 5, wherein it is given that x4 minus 3x square minus 8, it is divided by x plus 4. So friends, let us start with the synthetic division method, Dividend is given as x fourth minus 3 x square minus 8. So index form will now x 4 plus 0 x cube minus 3 x square plus 0 x minus 8. Since here x cube and x term are not given, we write them 0 x cube and 0 x respectively. Now coefficient form of this dividend is equal to 1, 0, minus 3, 0 and minus 8. Divisor given as x plus 4, therefore opposite of this plus 4 is minus 4. Let us prepare this method, synthetic division 1. So in the first row it is written that coefficient form of the division 1, 0, minus 3, 0 and minus 8. And to left side it is a opposite of 4, that is minus 4 written. So 1 it will be as it is taken out. So 1, 4 ones are 4. It will be minus 4, 0, minus 4, that will be minus 4, minus 4, minus 4, 16, minus 3 and 16, the addition is 13, 13 4s are 52, and that will be minus, since 4 has a minus sign, 0 minus 52, that will be minus 52. So minus 52 and minus 4, minus 0, 8, as a addition will be 200, and it is given 200 is made box since it is a remainder. Friends, let us write the coefficient form of this quotient as 1 minus 4, 13 and minus 52. So you will get that the quotient is equal to x cube minus 4x square plus 13x minus 52, and the remainder is now 200. Friends, let us see now the linear method for this division. It is given that x fourth minus 3x square minus 8 as a dividend. So to get the term x fourth, multiply x plus 4 by x cube and subtract 4x cube, which will be equal to x cube into bracket x plus 4 minus 4x cube minus 3x square minus 8 as it is. So here x cube is taken out, x plus 4 it will be there, minus x cube minus 3x square minus 8. To get the term minus 4x cube, multiply x plus 4 by this minus 4x square and add 16x square. So friends, here x cube into x plus 4 minus 4x square x plus 4 plus 16x square minus 3x square minus 8. So it could be written as x cube into bracket x plus 4 minus 4x square x plus 4. 16 minus 8, that it will be 13x square minus 8. To get the term 13x square, multiply x plus 4 by 13x, and you will be getting as you have to subtract 52x. The next step will be x cube into bracket x plus 4 minus 4x square into bracket x plus 4 plus 13x into bracket x plus 4 minus 52x minus 8. Again we will simplify the x cube x plus 4 minus 4x square x plus 4 plus 13x into bracket x plus 4 minus 52x minus 8. Friends, here x plus 4, in order to get this minus 52x, this multiply x plus 4 plus 13x. In another bracket x plus 4 is there, minus 52 into bracket x plus 4 plus 208 minus 8. Friends, x plus 4 is a common that could be taken out. So x cube minus 4x square plus 13x minus 52 is there, plus 200 you have to write. Therefore you will get that x fourth minus 3x square minus 8 will be equal to x plus 4, that is a divisor, and in the other bracket quotient, which is x cube minus 4x square plus 13x minus 52, and plus remainder as a 200. So from this you can write the quotient is equal to x cube minus 4x square plus 13x minus 52, and the remainder is 200, that what you are getting. Now let us see the last problem from this one, that is y cube minus 3y square plus 5y minus 1, it is divided by y minus 1. So friends, let us start with the synthetic division method, wherein it is given that y cube minus 3y square plus 5y minus 1 divided by y minus 1. So here dividend you can write y cube minus 3y square plus 5y minus 1, and the coefficient form of this dividend is equal to 1 minus 3, 5 and minus 1. So divisor is given y minus 1, and the opposite of minus 1 is 1. So in the first row we can write 1 minus 3, 5 and minus 1. To the leftmost it is written the opposite of minus 1 is a 1. In the last row you can write 1 taken as it is. So 1 ones are 1, minus 3 and this 1, that gives you minus 2, and minus 2 ones are minus 2, 5 minus 2, that will be 3, 3 ones are 3, minus 1 and 3, that will give 2. Friends, here 2 is made box since it is a remainder. Now let us see the coefficient form of this quotient will be 1, minus 2 and 3. So you can write quotient as a y square minus 2y plus 3, and the remainder will be equal to 2. Friends, let us start with the linear method to attempt this. y minus 1. So in order to get the term y cube, multiply y minus 1 by y square and add y square. So y square into bracket y minus 1 plus y square minus 3y square plus 5y minus 1. So you can write here that y square into bracket y minus 1 minus 2y square plus 5y minus 1. To get the term this minus 2y square, multiply y minus 1 by minus 2y and subtract 2y. Y square into bracket y minus 1 minus 2y, y minus 1 minus 2y plus 5y minus 1. So you again next step will be y square into bracket y minus 1 minus 2y, y minus 1 plus 3y minus 1. So to get the term 3y, multiply y minus 1 by 3 and add 3. Y square into bracket y minus 1 minus 2y, y minus 1 plus 3, y minus 1 plus 3 minus 1. So it could be again simplified as y minus 1 taken out into what left bracket will be y square minus 2y plus 3 and plus 2. So friends, y square minus 3y square plus 5y minus 1 will be equal to y minus 1 into bracket y square minus 3y plus 3 plus 2. Friends, here we will get that quotient is equal to y square minus 2y plus 3 and that of the remainder is equal to 2. Friends, till now we have been discussed the problems, but at the same time in this session we have been discussed on the following subtopics of this chapter, that is the problems based on the synthetic division method, means in short especially the problems from the practice set 3.3. So friends, will you try these problems? Divide each of the following polynomials by synthetic division method and also by linear division method. Write the quotients and the remainder. First is x cube minus 7x square plus 14x minus 8 divided minus 4 divided by x 2x minus 1, x cube minus 7x minus 6 divided by x plus 1, x fourth minus 81 divided by x minus 3. Friends, attempt those problems. You should not forget the famous words of Jimmy Dean. I can't change the direction of the wind. Very nice wording, see. I can't change the direction of the wind, but I can adjust my sails to always reach my destination. So friends, please subscribe and share with your friends this video. And don't forget to press the bell icon. With these words, I would like to say thank you.